Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create digital products in Canva. So you can decide if you want to create planners or journals, social media templates, ebooks, checklists, digital stickers, printable wall art, resume templates, and so on. For me, I like to create a digital planner. So you can go to Canva, create a design, and then search for planner. You will see different options below. Okay, and all you have to do is select one. It will take you directly to the template or blank page. Here you can add different designs. You can go to designs and then look for the specific design that you want to use and edit. But let's just start from scratch. So basically to start, you can add a text right here and then add weekly planner. And then if you want to add some elements, what you're going to do is tap on elements right here and then look for something like a box. You can ask ChatGPT for a help. So for example, we will add first the weekly or week and then goal, something like that. You can change the font style, the font size, and then the font color. You can adjust everything here. All you have to do is to drag this one, okay, and then backspace. Okay, now you have week and goal. So you can just basically add it right here. Okay, lines and space. Now, if you want to add something like a box, you can just copy and paste what's above and then change the color or the size and then add something like this. Okay, so let me add again another box here. You can change the color by tapping the color icon, change it to white. Everything is up to you. Now I'm going to add something inside here. So let's just say I'm going to add a text. Okay, and then inside I am going to add the following, such as source and amount. This is like a total income of my week, something like that. Okay, I'm going to add a line right here as a division, and I'm going to copy and paste, something like that, to add it right here. So I have here source and income. Now, if you want to add again another one, then basically you can add again another box below and then add another category. And if you want to add something like this, you can go to design and then look for add a keyword, for example, list, and you can just basically copy and paste this one right here. Okay, so basically that's it. You can adjust, add text, change color, as simple as that. You can add another page and create another weekly planner. And basically that's how easy it is to create digital products in Canva. You can now sell this to any platform you want. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.